squibbly lines, scribble, 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 scribbles. What happened to the music? Maybe that. It's alright. It's alright. Going here like I just don't care. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribbling here like I just don't care. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble, toil and gibble. Macbeth, anyone? So I spent some time feeding the homeless this past Saturday. Totally forgot about that. I told somebody else about my weekend, and I said I did nothing. Totally slipped my mind. My wife has a job interview coming up on Tuesday. Feel free to pray for that. This job is very necessary and very needed for our household. So, if you know anything about our past job history for the last 5 years, you know that things are interesting. Let's say it's been interesting. It's been dramatic. I do have a job for myself. I'm very happy for that. But we are only living on one income right now. Car inspection coming up. Gonna need some money in order to do that. Nope. An ad break is coming up. Pesky ad break. A few more hairs. I think we need a little bit more darkness going on. Feel free to get a thicker brush. Saw an artist the other day on Instagram. She was drawing. She specializes in hair. She's very, very specialized in long, straight hair. Like that's her genre. So one of the things that she did that that I took note of is she held a wig in her non-drawing hand in order to use for reference. I never thought of that. Why have I never thought of that? It's so basic, it's so simple. Why didn't I ever think of that? Where can I get a wig? Where can I get a... So the kind of hair that I want to give these people in this region is coarse, not so straight, not so long,